Good morning, Savers. It's about 65 degrees this morning. I am so happy to see your face. There is a big old moon with a clear sky and stars. Wow, beautiful. Really beautiful. Had to take a moment there. Thanks for joining us on our morning walk, where we're just really starting the day thoughtfully and with intention. So, self-respect is the theme for the week, and I had a really wonderful weekend, just around a lot of friends, a lot of downtime, and got some horses stuff in there too. So, let's see, next weekend we're heading to the coast. A friend of ours used to live out there, and we're going to do a little crabbing and mushrooming, so definitely keep up with us there. So this quote is from Clint Eastwood. Respect your efforts, respect yourself. Self-respect leads to self-discipline. When you have both firmly under your belt, that's real power. Yeah, that's so true. I think in the world we're kind of given things just because we were born. And it's really influenced our culture to just expect things because we're breathing versus because we've earned it, because we've clarified a vision for it and done the work to get there. So it's so true. But the interesting part is that's how we build value. That's how we build confidence. That's how we build self-respect. And I think so many times just because we participated, we don't deserve a trophy for that. That's just part of learning about ourselves in life. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Join us for the morning walk. Love to see your face here every day. And just put it in the comments. Let's see if our new friend is still here. There we go. Good morning. Just taking a little break around lunchtime and listen to the birds chatter and enjoy the sun and take a little breath. This is a super duper simple, just using leftovers. So we smoked a chicken over the weekend and have a breast left over. So I'm just going to shred that, saute up slice up some onion and bell pepper, just what was in the fridge, big bottle of hot sauce, and tortillas. So we're doing smoked chicken tortillas tonight. We're at 6 minutes 21 seconds. The chicken is shredded. The peppers and onions are sauteing. That's actually going to be the longest thing. And then I'm going to wrap the tortillas in a wet or a moist kitchen towel and throw it in the microwave. I love it if you can do it over flame, but I don't have flame. So, or you can saute them in a pan. Just makes them so they're flexible and don't crack on you when you put your ingredients in. Super good, super quick. All right, we're sitting right at 10 minutes. I don't know if you can see the timer for tacos. So just really simple stuff that was in the fridge. I didn't get to the store today, so I don't have any cilantro, but you could add cilantro to this. You could add shredded cabbage. You could add really anything and everything. Sour cream, whatever you want to goop it up with, you can do it. But simple, easy, using what you have in the house, and save you some time. I'm going to go do a little reaping that I haven't gotten to recently with the extra, 15 to 20 minutes that I just got back in my schedule. Okay, I'm going in. That is wonderful.